Good morning, children. From today, again, we are going to start the online classes. Okay. As the number of corona positive patients are increasing, we have to start the online classes. So, everyone take care of yourself. So, stay home, stay safe. In last period, we started the lesson number 17, that is effects of light. In that we have studied about the scattering of light, then formation of shadows, that is umbra and penumbra. The dark shadow is called umbra and the faint shadow is called penumbra. Now today we are going to see the next part, that is eclipses. Okay, what is eclipses, what are their types, that we have to see today. Now what is an eclipse? See, the moon revolve about the earth. The moon revolve about the earth and earth along with the moon revolve around the sun. That everyone know in geography also. Already you have studied. Okay, earth revolve around the sun along with moon. Their orbits of revolution are all different. When the sun, the moon and the earth come in a straight line, an eclipse is said to have taken place. Yes, in which condition eclipse have taken place? When the sun, moon and the earth come in a straight line, then there is a case of eclipses. Okay, there are two types of eclipse. So that is solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Now let's start with first type, that is solar eclipse. During its revolution, when the moon comes between the sun and the earth. See what is the condition? When the moon comes between the sun and earth, a shadow of moon is cast on the earth and the sun cannot be seen from the part in the shadow. This is called solar eclipse. What is the condition? The moon comes between sun and the earth. See in the picture. So see what is the condition for a solar eclipse? Moon is come in between earth and sun. Okay. Then there is a possibility of solar eclipse. Now what happen when moon is in the between earth and sun? As moon is in between the sun and the earth, the shadow of the moon is cast on the earth and the sun cannot be seen from the part in the shadow, and this is called the solar eclipse. Okay, the solar eclipse is seen only on a new moon day. New moon day means what? So it called as a amavasya. Okay, so from that the new moon is start, no, so that is called the new moon day. Solar eclipse may be either partial or total. Sometimes solar disk is completely covered by the moon. This is the total solar eclipse. When the solar disk is not covered fully by the moon, we have partial solar eclipse. So that is called the, in Marathi what we call Surya Grahan. Yes, Grahan, everyone know that word. So solar eclipse means what? Surya Grahan. And on which day it occur in a? On new moon day, that is Amavasya. Now during a solar eclipse, what happen in the atmosphere? Ultraviolet rays which are harmful to us that reach on the earth. Okay, ultraviolet rays are coming from the sunlight which are very harmful to us. They are reaching the earth. The solar eclipse should never be watched with naked eyes. Just with naked eyes we don't want to watch the solar eclipse. It becomes harms to eyes. Okay, a special type of goggles should be used for this purpose. A special type of goggles only we have to use to observe the eclipse. Understood? So this is all about the solar eclipse. Now the next type is a lunar eclipse. In Marathi we call it as a Chandragrahan. Okay, lunar eclipse. When the earth comes between the sun and moon. See now what is the condition? When the earth comes between sun and the moon, a shadow of earth is cast on the moon. A shadow of earth is cast on the moon and part of moon is covered. And a part of moon is covered. This is called the lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse is seen only on a full moon night. Full moon night means what? Purnima. Okay, when in the sky there is a full moon, so that is called full moon night. If the whole moon comes in the shadow of the earth, if the whole moon comes in the shadow of the earth, it is called total lunar eclipse. Okay, but when the shadow of the earth is cast only on the part of the moon, it is a partial lunar eclipse. You can watch a lunar eclipse with the naked eyes, as their ultraviolet rays are not coming direct. Okay, means though it is we can observe with naked eyes, but still we have to take care only. A lunar eclipse can be seen over a period of few hours. Okay, it can be seen over a period of few hours. Now what is the note? For more information, refer the lesson The Sun, the Moon and the Earth in the geography textbook. I think already you have studied these parts in your geography lesson. Okay, that is eclipse and their types. Understood everyone? Now the next part, do you know? Eclipse often occur in the solar system. Eclipse often occur in the solar system. As seen from the earth, when the planet or star passes behind the moon, that state is called the occultation. Okay, as when the planet or star passes behind the moon, that state is called a occultation. It is a common phenomenon that occur with the sun, the moon and the star. For example, in 2016, the star called Rohini was hidden behind the moon. After some time, it appeared on the other side of the moon. Did you see this occultation? See, this is the information for you only. Now what you have to find out? The time period of lunar and solar eclipse. If you observe the calendar, there they have shown when the eclipse are there, or if over it is, you can observe the calendar or in newspaper also. Suppose in which month or tomorrow if their eclipse are there, then they are given the information for how much time the eclipse are there and what we have to do. Various eclipses in the past and relevant interesting information about them. So in last month or before that, if the eclipses was there, their information are there in calendar, so you have to find it. Eclipses and transits which will occur in the near future or next, if is it their eclipses are there, these all information are they given in the calendar. So just you observe the calendar of every month, then you get the information about the eclipses. Understood everyone? So this is all about the today's parts. Today we have studied about the eclipse and there are two types. So first read out the lesson properly, and whatever maybe the new words are there, that you have to write in your CW. Understood everyone? Okay, thank you.